like Darth Vader or something. It was like it was so terrible. And then I'm gonna bring that out right now. What? And everyone's like, "This is fun." And I was like, "I just want to punch you in the face."
What were you singing again? Oh no.
I was singing, "Oh no, you never let go through the calm and through the storm." And then I thought, if I don't find civilization soon, I literally am gonna die out here. And then I saw the road, and I was like, "Thank God it's a road." And I was like, "This guy's not gonna take us to it." He's just gonna be like, "Look, a road," and then keep going.
Oh my gosh. Are your feet still cold?
No, my feet are fine. Yeah, my feet
Or your hands?
they feel okay right now.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
What a rough day.
It was a rough day.
Yeah, the whole day, right?
Yes.
Never forget this day. We ended it so wonderfully for you.
I just
think
wanted to
3
cry in the
o'clock
van,
was
but I
awful.
couldn't.
That's why you left your mask.
I'll just keep my goggles on and cry.
Be riding down the street.
And then I kept eating my scarf and it was in my way. But I was so cold. And it got soaking wet.
Did it freeze?
No.
Oh, that's good.